Assalamu alaikum students. Very warm welcome in English class. As you all know that then nowadays we are doing English grammar and our task is English tenses. In last class, meaning yesterday's class, we completed past perfect tense active voice. And today's our topic is past perfect tense passive voice. Before moving forward to our today's topic, I want to give you review of last class of yesterday's class. So let's just have a look of your last class, what we did. We did past perfect tense active voice. First of all, we discussed its Urdu recognition, Urdu में पहचान, चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, अलिफ था, छोटी ये थी और बड़ी ये थे. It is the Urdu recognition of past perfect tense. After this, we discussed its Urdu its English sentence structure. Three types of sentences we have: positive, negative, and interrogative. In positive sentences, first of all, subject, after this had, then third form of verb, and then object. And for negative sentences, we discussed first of all subject, then after had, not, and then third form of verb after this object. For interrogative sentences, had, we are using before subject, then third form of verb, then object, and at the end of the sentence question mark we are putting. Look at the examples. Yesterday we discussed, but now again. मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. I had taken breakfast. I subject, had third form taken, and breakfast is object. वही मसला हल कर चुके हैं. They had solved this problem. तुम किताब नहीं रख चुके हो. You had not kept the book. मुझे धक्का नहीं दे चुका है. He had not pushed me. क्या वो नहा चुकी है? Had she taken bath? क्या वो खिड़कियां बंद कर चुका है? Had he closed the windows? और एंड पे यहाँ पे you can see question mark is here because this is interrogative sentences, and in negative sentences after had, not, we put. So now we will do it. This sentence passive voices mean today's target, today's task, today's topic of our class is past perfect tense passive voice. Students, first of all, we will see then its Urdu recognition will be same. Many times I discuss this point, then passive voices recognition in Urdu will be same. We will convert it to English. We will change subject place with the object place and object place with the subject place. After this helping verb, we will use had, but with the helping verb of had, we will use word been, B-E-E-N, been. For making passive voice, when we will make passive voice, when we will convert past perfect tense active voice sentence into passive voice sentence, we will use been with the helping verb had, and already third form is here, so we will not change anything in the form of verb. Just with the helping verb had, we will add one more helping verb, that is been. Sentence structure, students, will be like this. First of all, object, then had, been, third form of verb by, and then subject. For negative, after had, not will be here. Had not been. This rule also I discussed many times, students. And how many helping verbs are in this sentence, we will not bother them. We will deal just with first helping verb, with just a starting helping verb. After this, whatever will be, shall be, whatever it is here, being is here, be is here, we will not consult. Here being is, but we will put not after had. And same rule for these interrogative sentences, we will put had before object, and been will not change its place, and at the end of the sentence question mark. For the WH family, I discussed the rule. Then all WH family words mean where, why, when, and many others will not change their, will not change anything in them. We will not replace the words with any one other word, but who will replace with by whom. If in a sentence who will be, we will convert it in by whom. Or if passive voice will be here, by whom will be here, then we will convert it in who. Example, I had taken breakfast. Breakfast is object, it will be here. Breakfast had been taken by me. They had solved this problem. This problem had been solved by them. In present sentence, beta, you have noticed that then has and have both helping verbs are coming, and we are taking interest, and we are noticed that If subject object is plural, we are using have, and if object is singular, we are using has. But here just had, so we will not take notice anything, either a subject is a singular or a plural. You had not kept the book had not been kept by you. Some more examples. He had not pushed me, I had not been pushed by him. Had she taken bath, had bath been taken by her. Pronouns will be changed, he with the him, she with her. Had he closed the windows, had the windows been closed by him. Who had knocked at the door? यहाँ पे who जो है, it will be converted in by whom, then helping verb had, the door being knocked at the end question mark. Students, just who will be converted in by whom, remaining sentence structure will be interrogative sentence structure. So these are the examples of past perfect tense passive voices. Look at your homework. You have to do practice of past perfect tense passive voices. With the passive voice, kindly do practice of active voices too. Write Urdu sentences in active voice, mean write Urdu sentences on your notebooks, convert them into English, and then change them into passive voices. And learn letter number 3 from your learners. Goodbye.